Hey you, it's Kyla Lou, and I just want to say, how are you doing today? I feel like maybe you're not operating at 100%, so here's a little extra kiss for you. You got this. If you're wanting to know how to spice it up and respond to your TikTok comments with a video instead of taking out your thumbs, tapping away on your TikTok comments like these, then just keep watching. Now, I want to go over some of the benefits of responding with a video and also share some tips and tricks. But if you're not messing around and you just want to see how it's done, then you can go ahead and jump to this timestamp right here. If you don't want to listen to me talk, it's okay, I get it. Responding to your comments with a video is not only a great idea for content, because we all know, or maybe you don't know yet, that coming up with content
can be so challenging.
And so this is an easy thing that you can add to your content calendar, but it also gives your followers a chance to get to know you and your awesome personality and your awesome self, and also bring awareness to whatever you're trying to use TikTok for. And remember, you don't just have to answer questions. So check this out. These two awesome girls run Peachy Inc., which is a company that sells pre-workout pods. I know, freaking cool. But someone commented their order number, so they hopped on, responded to this person's comment, and packed their order on video. Another example is Brian Brewer, who is actually an affiliate marketer, and one of his followers commented with some doubts on the course he was promoting. So he responded with a video just talking more and giving more info about the course. And last, I could not find this TikTok to save the life of me, but my girl Anna made a TikTok responding to one of her followers who suggested a Starbucks drink that she should go and try. So she responded to the comment with a video of her going and trying the drink. It really is genius, and the possibilities are endless, my friends. So let me show you how. So first off, obviously this is very self-explanatory, but grab your phone and open up TikTok. Okay, once I'm here on TikTok, I'm gonna go over to my personal profile, and here I can see all of the TikToks I created, and I'm gonna scroll down and find the TikTok with the comments that I want to respond to. So I'm gonna click on this TikTok right here, and you can see I have comments on the right-hand side, and I'm gonna click on that. And this guy right here, Armakwa, he said, I have the same lamp. And you can see that I already responded with text, but if I wanted to respond to that comment with a video, I'm actually gonna click on that comment, and you can see I can either type out a comment, or there's a little video icon that I can reply with a video. So I'm gonna click on that, and then it's gonna put his comment up there in the video, and you can see it's really lightly faded, so I can see where it's at on the video. And I'm just gonna create a TikTok responding to it. Oh my gosh, we're lamp buddies, yay! So I'm gonna pause the TikTok there, and that looks good. So I'm gonna click the check mark, and now I can see the TikTok. And from this point, you can actually move the comment around to the position that you want it to. So I'm just gonna move it up there, and obviously from this screen you can do other edits as well. So you can add text with the AA down here in the bottom, you can add effects, you can add music with sounds, and you can obviously do things on the top right hand side as well. Once your TikTok is the way you like it, you're gonna click on next. And from this point in the screen where you would add a caption and hashtags, you'll see it has reply to the user. So they'll actually get notified that you replied, so they'll be able to see it. And from this point, I can type out a caption. So I can say lamp buddies and leave that there. And I can also add hashtags. So I can add in a hashtag there. And then once I like that, then I can go ahead and click down here and either post it or draft it for later. There you guys go. Hopefully that answers your question. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And speaking of TikTok, if you're new to TikTok and you want to be able to post your first TikTok and learn everything about the app, because I know it can be hella confusing. I actually have this video right here, TikTok for beginners, that I will link down in the description below to help you out. I appreciate you guys spending your time here with me on today's video. I love you, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, dudes.